Huawei is prepping to refresh its mid-range smartphone lineup with the upcoming Huawei Nova 16 series. The Huawei Nova 16 series will launch on June 1st in China. The Huawei Nova 16 series is confirmed to include the Nova 16, Nova 16 Pro, Nova 16Z, and the Nova 16 Ultra. Huawei has teased the Nova 16 Pro variant in sky blue and iridescent color options. The Nova 16 Pro and the Nova 16 Ultra will come with a triple rear camera setup, with the sensors and the LED flash housed inside two large circular discs that sit on top of a rectangular camera island. The standard Nova 16 will offer a dual rear camera system, while also offering a similar design as the Pro and Ultra models. The Pro Max is also rumored to feature a 6.84-inch 1.5K LTPO display alongside a Kirin 9000 series chipset. Powering the device could be a 7,000 mAh battery. The Nova 16 Pro Max's camera hardware may also include a 200-megapixel main camera with a large 1/1.28-inch sensor, a periscope telephoto lens, and a multispectral sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.